ladies and gentlemen, on a Saturday night with the DealMaker down here at Bickerstaff's Atlanta East Auto Auction in the drizzling rain but warm weather. We're excited about it this week. DealMaker's done a wonderful job again. Just going to tell you a little bit about what we've got. We've got a really good lineup. We've got the Hutchison Group, brought over 25 cars. We're excited about those. Really good selection. Jim Hudson Lexus, Jim Hudson Acura out of Augusta. We've got Loganville Ford. We just signed him up for 6 just a few minutes ago. So we're excited about that. We got Colonial GMC is coming. And believe it or not, Jacob's got us a few. He still trusts us, and we appreciate Jacob. They'll be here Monday. And also, we got Tony and Luis over at Conyers Mitsubishi. They just sent us 16, and we'll get 6 more. And don't forget the Ginn boys over there in Covington, Ginn Chrysler Dodge Jeep, Big Chris, and also Philip over there at the Chevy store. So we've got a good selection. We're excited about it. So DealMaker, you've done it again. Let's go down the row. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the right, and then we're going all the way down to show you what we got down here. Logan's done a great job of lining them up again, and so we're excited about that. Logan, you're doing a great job. We appreciate it. DealMaker, what a team, what a team, what a team. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Then we'll talk about our homework. We've got everything all put together, so we're ready for Monday. So we're going to go over the things, okay? We're going to start over here to the right, and we're going to start. We put Little Baby and Big Daddy right together. We've got a nice little Colorado. I had to show you this one, little red truck. It's a beautiful little truck. It's 2007. It's got 157 on the miles. It's red with a matching camper top. And this one's one of Key of Albany's. Had to show you our buddy Jay down there, but it's just clean as can be. We appreciate that truck. Here's one from Maxi Price, the Big Daddy. It's a Denali 2011. It's a Denali HD 4-wheel drive Z71. Big Maxi Price, big red truck. Thank you, Maxi. We've got some more coming from Maxi too. Maxi's done a good job for us. Forgot about old Maxi. Maxi Chevrolet, great guy. All right, then we got another one, 2008 Tahoe. This was from Maxi also. A little 08 with leather, decent miles on it, Tahoe LT. Little white, pearl white color. Got the 20-inch wheels on it. You can see the 20-inch wheels, which looks great. We got another one. We got a 2012 Jeep. This one right here is from Jim Hudson Lexus. We got our buddy down there, 2000 Tom Campbell 2012 Jeep. It's got the leather seats in it, 150 on the miles. It's got the beautiful wheels and tires on it, pearlized paint. Thank you, Tom. You're a good guy. We appreciate all your help, and we got more coming. All right, we got a 2013 Lexus. Toyota 4Runner, 120 on the miles. Hutchison GMC. How you beat a Toyota 4Runner? 13 mile or 120 on the miles. What's a great looking black with leather, sunroof. 4Runner now. All right, we got another one right here. This is a 2015. This is a Sorento, Kia Sorento from Jim Hudson Acura. How about our buddy Jack down there? A 15 Sorento, decent miles, 150 on the miles, 2015. Thank you, Jack. We appreciate you sliding some in there with us, and looking forward to next week too. Got a 2016. This is a Sorento. Got 133 on the miles. Hutchison GMC of Macon. It's a silver, clean car. No scratches on it. Just needs a good cleanup. We got our cleanup crew coming in tomorrow. So we appreciate this little Sorento from Hutchison GMC. Now here's one I love these cars right here. 2005 GX 470 Jim Hudson Lexus. They get the greatest trades. It's only got 140 on the miles. It's black. Big Tom Campbell slid that baby on us. We appreciate you, Tom. Thank you. That's a clean one there. All right, we got another one here from Jim Hudson Lexus. It's a 2012, 148 on the miles. Little Escape, little silver job. Look at the sunroof up there. Got chrome wheels and tires on it. The tires look good. Just needs a little cleanup. Again, Tom, thank you so much. We got one right here. I like these little cars. 2006 HHR, 133 on the miles. Hutchison Key of Macon. little HHR, Chevy HHR, little black car. That's a good price point right there for somebody right there. All right, we got one right here from Macon, Hutchinson Kia of Macon, 2007 Honda. No, excuse me, Sorrento, Kia Sorrento, Hutchinson Kia, Macon, 175 on the miles. Those things are 5-star, crash tested, so that'll make a good one for somebody. Little Kia Sedona. We got another one down here. Boy, this is a beauty right here. This is a little Ford Taurus, 2014. Man, this is one right here. Got to watch out, Big Ed, down there. Jim Hudson Acura, 99,000 miles. Big Ed, that ought to work for you, buddy. Work for you. Beautiful little black car, got the leather, sunroof, and all loaded up. Here's one from Jim Hudson Lexus. This has got the beautiful blue, royal blue color, another Taurus, 2013, 154 on the miles, the leather seats, sunroof, and all. Nice Taurus. It's got all the equipment, but look at the color on that thing. Isn't that pretty? All right, we got another one, Jim Hudson Lexus. And old Tom did a wonderful job for us this week. 2007 LS 460 Lexus. 2007 460 Lexus, fresh trade-in. Tom Campbell down at Jim Hudson Lexus, and they've done a great job for us. All right, here we got another clean little Jag. When you get a Jag traded in a Lexus store, it's okay. Jim Hudson Lexus. We got a 2005, a 110 on the miles, XJ. But a 110, I bet it's like brand new. Look at that thing, it's clean as heck. Look at the rain on it, just rolls right off of it. Beautiful. Thank you, Tom. All right, we got another one here. That's a 2013 Genesis Coupe, 68,000 miles, Jim Hudson Acura. This is our old buddy Jack. Jack's doing a heck of a job at the Acura store down there. We're excited about old Jack. We appreciate Jack. Thank you, Jack. We got another one, Hutchinson Kia of Macon, 2013. It is a Chrysler 200. We like those. 137, 13, jet black. It looks like the paint's good. Water's running right off of it there. And it needs a little cleanup, looks like. But it's a 200 Chrysler 13, good miles, 130 on the miles. All right, got another one here. 2019. This is from Hutchinson Toyota. Big Lee down there, 91,000 miles on it. 91,000 miles. That's a Kia. Beautiful car. And it was traded in on Toyota. Optima, 91,000 miles. So thank you, Lee. Appreciate all the nice cars from down at the Toyota store. We got another little Chrysler here. This is a Dodge Charger, 2011. Hutchinson Toyota, 139 on the miles. Bronze color, black. How do you go wrong with that? Christmas color. That's a fast car right there. Little 11 Charger, a Dodge Charger. Appreciate that one. We got another one, 2016. All these are great mile cars. Focus, Hutchinson Toyota Albany, 99,000 miles. If they're traded in on a Toyota, they got to have they're pretty good trades. 99,000 miles, little Ford Focus. Good miles on it. Here's a little Cadillac. It's a CTS, I'm pretty sure it is. 2005. It's got from Hutchinson Toyota, 203 on the miles. This is a black with the tan leather. It's got to be good for foundations. They've been buying a lot of cars. They got a bunch of money they want to spend this before the end of the year. We appreciate our little Ben. All right, 2013 GLK class, 108 on the miles. Hutchinson Toyota, tailor-made for our buddy Big Paul down there in Alabama. He's coming up. His wife loves these cars. I'm going to have to call him tonight and tell him it's here. Charcoal gray, very popular car, Mercedes GLK. All right, Paul, you need to get on down and eat my country ham. Let's get on up here. All right, we got a little Nissan Murano, 2014. Rogue, Hutchinson Toyota, 137 on the miles. Pretty clean little old car. Needs a little touch up here and there, but pretty decent old car. All right, we got another one right here. This is a Toyota, 2019, one owner, as you can see, the one owner tag on it, 47,000 miles, RAV4, Hutchinson Toyota, RAV4, 47,000 miles. Big Ed, where are you? Love to get old Tom Stymus up here. He'd love this car. Got to do something to get him up here. I don't know what I've done, but I'm going to have to do something. Have to put him on wheel or something. All right, Tom, we need you up here. God, look at this one right here. Wow, forgot about this one. 17. Still got the sticker on it. Tacoma. Hutchinson Toyota. 2017 Tacoma. 82,550 miles. One owner. Tacoma. Get out of Dodge like brand new. Where's old Jack from Executive? Jack, take a look at this video, buddy. Pearlized paint. Where are you going to find one of those? You're not. Another Toyota. 2019 Tundra two-wheel drive. Hutchinson Toyota, 81,000 miles. One owner car. Look at that jewel. Brand new, black, beautiful Tundra. Got the step boards on the side and all. You're not going to find this kind of stuff anywhere. Here's a BMW from Tony over there at Conyers Mitsubishi. He wanted to bring it on over here. I said, we can sell this car. It's a 6 Series, 124 BMW. Beautiful car. Blue, like brand new, not a scratch on the thing anywhere. Look at that car. There's a car right there. Tony, thank you very much. We appreciate you. Hey, there's the DealMaker down there at the end. We're starting to rain a little bit on us, Deal. I hope you got your jacket on. We got another one here, Conyers Mitsubishi. This is, we just got to get it cleaned up. 2013 Terrain. Got decent miles on it. This is from Tony also from the Mitsubishi store. We're picking up another load from him on Monday. So we're excited about that. Here's a nice little Buick. This one came in. We've got it's a 2012 Verano. Looks like he just put a new windshield in it. It was cracked, so I see the letters on it. It's got 105 Buick Murano. We'll get that thing cleaned up for you on Monday. And but it's got 105 2012 Murano. It's definitely from the Tony told me about this one at the Mitsubishi store. I got another Buick right here. 2010, 138 on the miles. LaCrosse. This is from Tony also over at Conyers Mitsubishi. It's got the leather sunroof loaded up. It's a black. Got the tan leather. LaCrosse. That would look great up there. We're up in Dawsonville, Georgia, with our buddy David Dishron. That's his kind of car. So anyway, DealMaker, we're out here in the rain, so I don't want to get too wet, but you know, we just take a quick scan of the lot. We got a lot of them already on the numbers, as you can see, but we just picked out a nice selection to show everybody what we do have. We got over 135 to run, and more coming on Monday. All right, Deal. First thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about some homework, and then after our homework, we're going to talk about Mom. We're going to talk about Spanky, and then we're going to talk a little bit about our good friend Mickey Farmer. So anyway, we're going to go over our homework first. So please subscribe. We didn't talk about it in the beginning, but we need for you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button on the right-hand side, lower corner, and then hit the notification bell located in the right-hand corner. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We need you to subscribe. We're making progress, but not fast enough. We want to go faster. Make sure all your notifications are on. Like, share, and comment. Very important. Subscribe. Need for you to subscribe. Right, DealMaker? Subscribe. We are trying to get over 1,000. We're still a ways to go. We're making progress, but we're not there yet. So let's make it happen. Our email address is info@aeautoauction.com. info@aeautoauction.com. Our website's aeautoauction.com. Our website is aeautoauction.com. TikTok is aeautoauction. Don't forget our shipping. We need our good buddy from down there in Slidell, Louisiana, and Baton Rouge area down there. We need our buddy down there, Robert from Buddy's Auto Sales. Get up here, Robert. We're going to send this to you tonight. Contact the DealMaker at 770 for shipping, 770-421-5725. That's 770-421-5725, and then also at 470-363-9773. Shipping all over the world, Canada, USA, we can get it done. We got 42 trucks. We're going to express our good following and good words to our buddy Chris at Circle C. He's been down on his health lately, but he's coming back, and he's been out, so we're going to get him back and get those trucks to moving. But Mitch has done a great job in his absence. Facebook is AE Auto Auction. Facebook's AE Auto Auction. Instagram's AE Auto Auction. Instagram's AE Auto Auction. YouTube's Atlanta East Auto Auction. YouTube's Atlanta East Auto Auction. A phone number, don't forget, 470-552-1032. 470-552-1032. Monday night sale. We're live streaming 6 p.m. on YouTube, this YouTube channel. Going to be live streaming. We'll make sure we got that on there. So we're going to live stream. Sale starts at 6. Previews at 3. Sale starts at 6 p.m. It's a dealer and public sale, so everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. So let's get on down here in Loganville, and then let's get some work done. So anyway, we're going to talk about Mom for a little bit. Mom's doing better. She's into Christmas now, and so she's wearing them out over there at Macy's pretty strong, and she hadn't got them quite whipped into line yet, but she's getting there. It won't take her long. So she's moving around. She's using one cane. Just keep praying for her. She'll get there, and we're looking forward to getting her down here. We're trying to do that. Don't forget our big sale on the 20th, which is not this Monday, but the following Monday. Over 200 units. The DealMaker's got them all stacked up, ready to go. That's the 20th. Big sale. We're going to feed everybody. We're catering the food in here, and we're going to have cash and prizes, so we're looking forward to that. Don't forget about, we're going to talk about Spanky. Spanky's doing better. He's back at work, but he takes chemo 3 days a week, and it knocks him out when he does it. But he's hanging in there, and we're going to keep praying for Spanky. So go to GoFundMe, and we're going to do that. Spank the cancer. Spank the cancer. Go to GoFundMe, Spank the cancer. He's going to need some help financially. So if you'll help us, he's a good man and a good friend of ours. We appreciate that. Also, we want to talk a little bit about our good friend Mickey Farmer passed away today, and we're sad about that. We're going to miss old Mickey. Mickey's a good man, and he'll be sorely missed, and prayers are out to his family, and we'll miss old Mickey. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and finish up. Don't forget about Barney. Burn. The food truck's going to be here on Monday night. Bernie's going to be here. It's going to have those chicken sandwiches. It's going to have some quesadillas. He had those. Man, he jumped in those burgers the other night. And I took 2 of them home, and we had them the next day. They were fantastic. So Bern, be down here on Monday night. He'll be here. The food truck will be here about 3:45. So don't have to worry about eating. Just see old Bernie when you get here. So don't forget, Monday night, right here in Loganville, 29 Highway 78 East, Loganville, Bickerstaff's Atlanta East Auto Auction. Looking forward to seeing you. The DealMaker. See you on Monday night.